Hi, welcome at ESCON Infosystems. We are providing internship in statistics for this summer training batch. It is offered by Analytics Wing of ESCON Infosystems, Barabanki. If you are a student of MA Statistics, BA Statistics, BTech Computer Science, or student of any branch of engineering, and you want to make your career in data science, then you are at one of the best place. Now let us understand how we are going to conduct this program, what advantages you will get. Learn statistics from basics to advanced level. Learn how to use statistical concept in real life problem solving. That means if you are learning in academy, you have academic knowledge, but you don't know how to implement in real world problem solving softwares and application, then you will get exposure of different software packages to implement that conceptual knowledge in the real world implementation. So here you will get chance to work on R software, SQL, Excel. There are other softwares are also available in the market, but you will learn using these softwares as well. You will also learn how to make statistical app and how to publish them because these statistical apps are in high demand in the market. Make your profile stronger than ever because you will learn so many things practically and implement yourself. Join our data science community. It is fast growing data science community. You will get chance to meet our industry experts, plan your project, discuss your ideas, and try to implement all your conceptual knowledge and understanding in real world application. You will also get chance to learn from other guest trainers and you will understand how we are going to cover this program. Be local to global because we are providing hand holding program. That means this internship is not limited for some training sessions. We also help interns and students after completing their internship if they are working on any area of data science and they are stuck in any kind of problem. Our experts are always there to assist you and help you. So let us know how it works. First of all, you will have to apply at the website of ESCON Infosystems. Your CV resume will be screen out. We will conduct a meeting with you and try to understand your needs, vision, understanding in subject as of now, whatever you have learned in academy. Then you will be assigned a course, you will start learning with our experts. Our experts will be delivering you online lectures, classes every day. You will directly interact with our expert. There will be question answer session where you can clear your doubt if you are stuck at any place in implementation of conceptual knowledge into practical aspect, they will assist you and help you complete the project and develop the statistical app. You will also have to prepare the presentation, document whatever you are learning day by day. Once it is over, you will proceed to phase 4. There you will work on live project and you will implement whatever understanding you have got during the session, during your academic program and our training. And after it, you will have to submit the project. It will be evaluated. If there is any comment, if any enhancement is required, you will you will get further more chance. And then we will conduct interview preparation sessions where you will get chance how the industry is going through the data science, how, what kind of questions are being asked, how to tackle, how to ask the interview, and we provide 100% job assistance. Now you would like to know our track record. We have trained more than 100 data science professionals in very less time. They are working in top MNCs. 95% of candidates are placed in a year and they are getting around 9 LPA to 35 LPA package. Our subject matters are having more than 10 years of industry experience, and the job role opportunity that you will have, you will work as a data analyst, data scientist. If you have any question you want to connect with us, here the helpline number is also given. You can visit our website, you can apply at our website. Thank you so much for listening me.